Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I'm going to be showing you guys is how you can embed your widgets into Notion. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, Notion is an application which you can use for writing and pretty much a lot of different purposes. You can write your own files, your own documents. You can make a journal. You can make a reading list, a to-do list, make a calendar where you can use it pretty much as a well, errand tracking tool, I guess you could say, and pretty much a lot of different uses. You can also write code and things like that, only you cannot run it. However, that is a completely different topic. But yeah, as I've said, you can add widgets into your texts, into pretty much any document that you create. And right now I'm going to be showing you how. As you can see, I have created a test file or a test document, and I have named it test, added some placeholder text, etc., etc. Here you can see all of the information that has been displayed, pretty much some basic information. And the way that you can embed your widgets is pretty much by doing the same process for embedding pretty much anything. And what you want to do is select where you want to embed them by creating a text line, just like you can see here. Now you can go to the plus and now you can search for embed here. However, one quick way you can do that is write the command /embed. As you can see here, you can see embed, and now you get this little pop-up window here. What you want to do is just paste in the link of whatever you want. I will be pasting in Google Maps, and just click embed link, and as you can see, it has embedded the map. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the entire process. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.